What's going on, Straight Talk About Life listeners? I appreciate every one of you that are listening to me right now. If you're over on my Feel the Beat web radio station at 6 a.m., thank you so much for getting up so early to support. If you're listening to me at any other time of the day on any of my platforms, thank you for pressing that play button. If you're new here, welcome. I have a positive podcast. I speak about positive things. I am going to motivate, uplift, and encourage you. And also I share some of my life experiences because I've been through a lot. And I feel like some of the things I talk about may help someone else. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me. If you're not subscribed, you can do so for $2.99 a month and join my team. I really appreciate you. If you are a returning listener, thank you. If you've been here at any point during my journey to support this podcast, thank you so much. You're always going to hear thank you from me. I believe in showing gratitude, telling people thank you, being appreciative. I believe in that because that goes a long way. So today I want to talk about rain. Rain. Is it raining in your life right now? Is it storming? Are you going through things? Are you depressed? Have you lost your job? Are you having a bad relationship? You just don't know up from down. Well, I want to tell you that your sunshine is coming. Your sunshine is coming. Hold on. So let's think about it. When it rains outside, it's not going to rain forever, right? Eventually, the sun is going to come out. It's going to shine. All that water is going to dry up. You may even get some blue skies. And on special days, you may even get a rainbow. But that rain is not going to last forever. So let's take that into our lives and think about that. The rain is not going to last forever. No matter what you're going through, it is only temporary. And I want you to start looking at it that way. It's only temporary. Tests come in our lives to really see how strong we are, to see how much we really want things. Also, tests come in our lives because there's a lesson that we're supposed to learn, right? There's a lesson. So look at everything from a positive point of view. No matter what it is that's holding you back, holding you down, making you sad, maybe even making you cry sometimes. Hold on. I promise you it is not going to rain forever. I want you to hold your head up and always think positive. When you're going through things and you're in the middle of a storm, it is really hard sometimes to look at the bigger picture, to look at that sunny day and the blue skies. It's really hard to hear people saying, it's going to get better. Better days are coming. Trust me, I've been there. All of that sounds really, really good. But to someone that's in the middle of a storm, someone that's getting rained on without an umbrella, it's hard to hear that and believe sometimes. But I tell you, you should have faith, strong faith, and know that whatever the situation is, it's going to pass. It is not meant to stay in your life forever. Your storms are going to move on, and you're going to be a better person, better mother, better wife, better friend. You're just going to be an all-around better person. But it starts in your mind, thinking positive, having a positive mindset, manifesting your life, your dreams, believing in yourself and having self-love, knowing that no matter what people say to you that's negative, it's not going to stick. It's just going to bounce off of you. See, sometimes people don't want to see you do well. Sometimes people don't want you to do better than them. You know, they'll support you to a certain extent. But once you start passing them, that's when jealousy and envy comes about. Hold your head up and keep going. Because what the Most High has for you, no one can take it. People can try all they want to knock you off your path, to smear your name and put you down. But I promise you, those sunny days are coming. Just believe and have faith. Smile. Be positive in the middle of your storm. In the middle of all that rain, know that you're going to be dry one day. That rain is going to pass on by, and you're going to come out on top. And all of those naysayers and those people that didn't believe in you, didn't support you, people that tried to knock you off your path, they're going to have to sit there and watch you be blessed. They don't have a choice. Because like I just said, whatever the Most High has for you is for you. And it doesn't matter what they do. They can't change anything. So always be in the mindset of feeling like you're blessed no matter what. Knowing that you can do anything that you want to do. Knowing that you're strong and you're capable. And you have to believe in yourself. Don't sit around and wait on people to believe in you and push you, encourage you. Don't sit around and wait on that. If I'm honest, sometimes if you're waiting on that, it'll never come. So that's why you have to step up and believe in yourself and know that you're a winner no matter what. You have to know that everything that you touch is blessed because you're a child of the Most High. And the Most High don't play about you. Because I know He don't play about me. And I know I'm blessed. Even in the midst of when I'm dealing with negativity and people not wanting to see me win. I know that I'm a winner. People might not believe in my dream. They might not see what I see. And if I'm honest, they're not supposed to. Because each one of us are on our own journeys and it's personal. Everything that I'm working on in my life right now is personal. I have a point to prove to myself and not anyone else. Now, I'm humble. I never get the big head and, look down on other people. Never. Never. Because just like you were blessed with it, you can lose it. I strongly believe in that. So I live in gratitude each day, and I'm humble, and I thank the Most High, first of all, for another breath, another day, another chance to see my children and grandchildren, just another chance to be better than I was yesterday. And I'm very appreciative to all of the people that have supported me at any point in my life. I appreciate the people that believe in me. I'm forever grateful. And I'm even grateful for the ones that didn't believe. The ones that, talked about me and smeared my name. Yes, there's been situations where I heard some of that, but it didn't deter me. I'm still gonna keep going because this is personal for me. I know what my purpose is. I didn't know years ago, but I know now what my purpose is. And I'm going to continue to walk in my purpose. I'm going to continue to motivate, uplift, and encourage other people. I'm going to continue to be the positive woman that I am today. And I'm not going to change that, no matter what. No matter what. This is me. I am a genuine person. And I just love everyone. And when I say that, I literally mean that. Even the people that consider themselves to be my enemies, people that don't like me, I love you too. I don't have to have you in my life. I don't have to deal with you, but I still have love in my heart for you. And I think more people should live in that space where you're just unbothered. Just unbothered, especially if you're forced to be around people that you know are not good for you. For example, if you are in a work setting and you know that there's a group of people or a person that just dislike you. Like whenever you breathe, it just makes them crazy. Love those people anyway. You don't have to deal with them. You don't have to talk to them. But still do your part. And don't have hate in your heart. Don't let the way other people treat you change who you are. Stay you. Stay you. And I promise you, the universe will reward you with that same love that you dish out. That same happiness and joy, all of it is going to come back to you. But it starts with you believing. You have to believe. You have to believe. Even when you have dark days and you can't see your way out. We've all been there. Even though your light is shining, some days can be challenging. But hold on. Never give up. Because I tell you, your reward is right around the corner. It's closer than you think. So, for example, if you are wanting a certain job, you want a certain house, certain car, certain career, whatever the case is, you have to live in that space and claim it like it's already so. You have to be able to feel yourself opening that door to your new home, opening that door to your new vehicle, opening the door to your new life. You have to see it and feel it. It's up to you. It is up to you. And that is the mindset that I have. I know that I'm abundant, and I know that I can do anything in this life. I know that I'm strong. I've proven that over and over. I've shocked myself over and over. And I know this. And you're strong as well. You're stronger than you even know. Sometimes we just have challenges that knock us back. Seems like when you take 1 or 2 steps forward, you take even more back. But I tell you, it's only a test. So that you can have a testimony. One day you'll be able to help someone else see their way out of darkness. You'll be that light for others because you're special. No matter what anyone has told you, if they made you feel like you were worthless and you didn't matter, I want you to know that you can do anything. If you want to start your own business, you can do anything that you want to do. You have to put the work in, though. Research what you're trying to do. Find out what it takes to start that business. It's not going to just come to you. It's not going to knock on your door. No one's going to just hand you a manual on how to do any of this. You have to put the work in. And I tell you, once you start taking those steps, you'll be so surprised. You'll surprise yourself, I'm telling you. I've been there. I have been there. And I've had some people in my life, it seems like their only mission was to discourage me, or every idea I came up with, it was a problem with it. It seemed like it was an issue, or, trying to make me feel like I didn't know what I was talking about, or maybe I should be doing something else. That was the old me. But the new me, is in charge of my life. Back in my people-pleasing days, I did allow people to speak over my life and, give me advice and tell me what I need to do and not do. And I actually listen. But at this point in my life, everything is personal. I don't allow people to speak over my life and tell me what I need to do. No. I have a mission. And you have a mission as well. We have a mission. And that mission is to spread happiness, love, and joy to everyone in this world. That's what we're supposed to be doing. And I'm going to continue to do that. Everyone that comes in contact with me will tell you that I am a big ball of sunshine. Happy, peaceful, all of the things. I am. And, when you carry that type of spirit, that will irritate people's demons. It'll make them wonder, why are you so happy? What are you smiling about? Yeah, people are that twisted that they'll ask questions like that. But I'm unshakable. No matter who tries to spread negativity, I'm still gonna be me. Still gonna be me. Still gonna be loving on people until I can't love them anymore. And on that note, I am so happy that I turned out to be the type of woman that I am today. I could have went any way. I could have went the wrong way because of some of the influences that I had in my life. I said had, yes, because they're no longer involved in my life. They have absolutely no access to me. Can't even call me. And I really don't think they know where I live. That's how unbothered I am by negativity and negative people that mean me no good. Once you get to a certain level of peace in your life, once you get on a mission and you're focused and you're determined to help other people and to do what you're supposed to do, then nothing else really matters. Those people that at one point had an influence in your life won't even matter anymore. Because you could see straight through them. You could see what they're doing. You could see their demons. You could see it. And once you encounter those type of people, you have to run and get away from them as soon as possible. And if you're anything like me, I tried so hard to hold on to certain people. Hard to hold on. Didn't want to let them go. But that was my own personal issues, my own personal insecurities and things that I had going on. They had a certain title, so I was holding on to those titles. Certain family members. Doesn't matter who it is. If they mean you no good, you have to leave them alone in order for you to grow and prosper and be the person that you were meant to be. I couldn't speak on this if I didn't have to learn it and go through it myself. And once again, I'm thankful to the Most High for showing me who's meant to be in my life, for weaving out all the people that did not need to be in my life. They meant me no good. And sometimes that comes in the form of them hurting you. Doing something to you that makes you finally decide that you have to leave them alone. And I'm grateful. And I ask for guidance and the knowledge to know when people are meant to be in my life and when they're not. And I'm okay with letting them go. I'm okay. Because I can't walk in my purpose and have someone holding me back. You can't prosper in life if you have people riding your coattail. If you have people that don't believe in you. People that are being negative and whispering behind your back. Secretly stabbing you in your back. You have to let them go. But I am going to go ahead and end this podcast for today. But I just wanted to get on here and talk about the rain. That's been on my mind for a while. That rain. I know it's so much going on in the world. People are battling things, suffering in silence. Sometimes people that are sitting right next to you are going through things and you don't even know it. Maybe they're too embarrassed to talk about it. Everybody's battling something. But I had to come with this message on today to let someone know, even if it's just one person. I had to come let you know that rain is not going to last forever. That rain is going to last for a little while. And then your sunny skies are coming. They're coming. Your bright sunny day is coming. That beautiful sunny summer day is coming. You might even get a rainbow. I want you all to know that the Most High loves you so much. And I love you as well. I want you all to have the most amazing, amazing day. And I will see you in the next episode.